These are Riki's twins, Velcro and Klingon. Velcro's the girl, and they're really quite grabby and snaggy. Just want to give her a drop of... Oh, sweetie. Hello, baby. Did you drop your tummy? Oh, yeah. I'll give her a drop of glucose. Oh, that was good, isn't it? You warm enough? She's only really little. She's a lot smaller than Klingon. She may have been preemie when she was born. And there's more than one baby. Hello. If they're from different fathers and they're different ages, the little one, well, the little one will be a lot smaller and born early. Let me have a feel. Going to try this. Well, it's just a tad hot for you. So how are you going? You're a tiny little girl, aren't you? Mm-hmm. You try this? Come on, baby. You can see her tiny little teeth, little backwards facing teeth. Hey, I think you're hungry. That's pretty good, sweetheart. And this is the little boy, little Klingon. Little Velcro and little Klingon. Now their mum's hit her head, and she's got a distinct tilt of her head to one side. I think mum has been on the ground for a day or hanging really low for at least 24, 48 hours. She had maggots in her wing pit, and I had to pick all the maggots off. And that wouldn't have happened if she'd only come down last night. So she's not capable of caring for her babies, and she didn't really even notice when I took them from her. And of course she's not capable of caring for them. I've got them here for a couple of days and we'll sort them out. If she feels better in the next couple of days, she may take them back again and raise them. She may just look at them and go, nah, I don't want anything to do with them. We're thinking that little Velcro and Klingon have got different fathers, and that they were conceived at different times. There's quite a disparity in the size. She's 20 grams lighter, and her forearms are a week younger than his. Maybe they've had different fathers, and she was born prematurely because she was perhaps conceived a week after he was. Anyhow. Look at that. Hey, little boy. So this little sweetheart is Velcro. Hello, baby. Let me have a look. Are you wet? Mostly, aren't you? Hello, baby. Don't drop your dummy. This is why I'm calling her Velcro. Nice wings. Yes, you're a good girl, baby. Give me your other foot. It's alright. Yeah, I know. I just want to have a look at this wingtip. I know you dropped your dummy. It's alright. Here we are. Pop that there. Pop that one there. Pop that one there. And that one there. Why don't we give you something warmer as well? You're only little. And this one's Klingon. The little Klingon. Hello, baby. What about you? Good boy. Good boy. And I just want to check that he's got no maggots. Like, there's none left. I think. No, that's not. Yeah, I'm just looking, sweetheart. We need to know that they're all dead. That's a dead maggot. Okay, let me have a look on your other side. Just need to look. There they are, look. See? More. There's another one. There's another one, and these have all just hatched. And there they are, crawling up into his wing pit. Got them. Got you. There's another one. Let me have a look. See, there's another one, and that one, if you have a look, see, he's eaten a hole in him, because I missed that one last time. Now there's a real little crevice up under there. That's his nipple, by the way, that little thing there. No doubt when I come to feed him again in a couple of hours, he will also have some more that have hatched. Hello. Is that a bit better for you, mate? Just wipe you down with that, okay? Warm one. They're not cold, but they're just not toasty warm. There we are.